And I know a lot of people are gonna say I haven't uploaded and they miss me and all of that, but this week was my son's birthday week, and for me now, I'm prioritizing my family more than anything else. So if you guys don't see me for a few days, it's probably because of that, or because I have schoolwork. My school and my family comes before all else. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Spice and Lisa Hype. They have buried the hatchet. Been talking. They haven't been the best on the best of terms for about 10 years now. So let's get into the story, okay? And we're also going to be featuring another story where a man was stabbed to death trying to protect his girlfriend. So let's get into it. Dancehall artist Lisa Hyper said that she has been thinking about burying the hatchet between her and fellow entertainer Spice for years, and that her decision to apologize to the Queen of Dancehall may be the work of divine intervention. It's out of my hands and my control, honestly. It came in like not even my decision to do this. It's like gotta talk to me, and I swear to you, she said. Lisa Hyper and Spice have not spoken for more than a decade. Lisa Hyper said that the feud started over a rumor, and she said the apology was the first step in finally getting to show how deep her respect goes. How I really feel and truly feel about Grace, given name Grace Hamilton, me have to tell her face to face all the great things where she do for dancehall where me admire. In order to tell her that to her face, me have to apologize first because me disrespect her. She disrespect me too, but it takes two to start an argument, she said. I was an ignorant one in all of this, and so me just want to do the right thing. Lisa Hyper said that events over the past few months have taught her that life is too short to hold grudges. She said that having to reflect on her life, she saw it important to apologize to Spice, and so on Wednesday she made a post on her Instagram page which was directed at. It reads in part, Spice, I'm sorry for the way I allowed the traditions of war in our music made me feel and treated you. You have done wonderful things for this business, females in the business, and Jamaica. I want to let you know I'm humbled and I appreciate you. Not sure how this will play out, but from my heart I am sorry, and I pray to God intervenes wherever evildoers try to trouble. Attempts by the star to contact Spice have been futile. For Lisa Hyper, her apology is genuine. I've been thinking about this for years, but I wanted to wait on the right time, and the right time is now. Because me just get up and say me I go do it with no hesitation, and I don't care what nobody want to say, it no matter. Me no care where I come behind this, because me don't prepare to face the consequences when me plan to do this. I did this for me. Right now, I feel so good, me feel 10 times lighter, she said. Hyper said she's not sure if Spice will accept her apology or even acknowledge it, but she said that she did not apologize for clout, and so acceptance doesn't really matter. I don't expect her to respond. I would love for if she responded, but if she don't, but if she don't, I understand. Me never do this fake get any answer reply, she said, indicating that today's world needs love if it's going to heal. And Spice definitely did answer. And big up to Grace Hamilton, big up to Lisa Hyper for doing the right thing and being woman. And Spice put on her Instagram page and said, at Lisa Hyper, apology accepted, and I'd like to apologize to you too, because at the end of the day, the disrespect wasn't one-sided. I retaliated towards you in my diss song in a very derogatory manner. I can tag you now because I just unblocked you after 10 years. Wow. Then I saw me keep my list long. Big up yourself, and a public apology takes humility, so I respect your bold move. Besides, we were younger, and I know you were misled by a demon in human form, in which I'm sure if our friendship had continued, we would have been a greater force to reckon working together. But fun and joke aside, life is way too short and too much is happening around us, especially right now. So that is what Spice had to say, and big up to Spice for replying. Big up to Lisa Hyper. it's good to see them burying the hatchet. It's good to see females in dancehall being respectful and giving props where props is due. A lot of people don't like giving women their flowers when they're alive, but when they're dead, they get the most props and the most shout out and the most love. Give them their love, their shout out and respect when they are alive, and don't wait until they're dead to acknowledge them. But let's get into the other story. It says a 40-year-old man was last night fatally stabbed as he tried to protect his girlfriend during an attack by her ex-lover. The suspect has since been turned over to the police by a relative. He is accused of stabbing 40-year-old Damian Carter at a house on Lawrence Drive in St. Andrew sometime after 10:30 last night. Carter, who was stabbed multiple times, collapsed on the road as he tried to flee the attacker. He later died. The Constant Spring Criminal Investigative Branch is probing the incident, and big up to him for actually trying to protect his girlfriend, because enough man nowadays, them not turn up and fight for no woman, okay? The murder said the girl a whore or a bitch and go about them business and run with left the girl. They get beat up. So big up to him. Even though he lost his life, he was doing the right thing, and condolence goes out to all his friends and family. Whoever his parents is, they raised an amazing man, okay? Big up to him for that. I can only imagine how his girlfriend feel right now. She probably feel like she is to be blamed for his death, but baby girl, things happen in life and don't blame yourself. It was his time to go and he chose a very upstanding way to go. So comment in the comment section what you guys think about Grace Hamilton, Spice, and Lisa Hyper burying the hatchet after 10 years. Do you think Spice, what do you think about Spice's reply? And what do you think about Damian Carter risking his life to save his girlfriend? Do you think man like that did make in a 2020 or still are made in 2020? Because these men nowadays, I saw. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.